Picture this: a man with an unstoppable dream facing a massive challenge. A hill. But not just any hill. It's a stubborn chunk of the Chinese Loess Plateau, worn by time and nature. Most would build on it, but not him. He dares to carve into it, crafting a magical self-sufficient eco-farm with space for several families, looking like it was pulled straight from the pages of a fairy tale. To make this vision a reality, they brought in heavy-duty machinery. Bulldozers, excavators, and steamrollers descended upon the hill, transforming it from a rugged slope into a construction site. The workers treated the hill like a stubborn mound of clay, leveling the land, digging deep into the rock, and carving out spaces for homes and farming. The first step was to create what could only be described as luxury caves for humans and animals alike. These caves were designed to take full advantage of the hill's natural insulation, keeping the interiors cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But the project didn't stop there. To ensure safety, the caves were fortified with reinforced walls to prevent collapses. Located in north-central China, the Loess Plateau is no ordinary place. Once structures were carved out, it was time for some DIY interior design. The interior walls are coated with a mixture of water, earth, and straw. This wasn't just about aesthetics. This combination not only adds insulation, but also reinforces the structure, ensuring its durability and reducing the need for artificial heating or cooling systems. Think of it as wrapping the farmhouse in a cozy blanket. The interiors were designed to be both functional and beautiful. Situated southeast of the Gobi Desert and near the Yellow River, the location benefits the convenient access to reliable water sources, making it ideal for such a project. When the mud mixture finally dries, the real work begins. They dig out the plumbing system. Managing animal slurry is a massive challenge in farm construction. It's not just flammable, but highly toxic. So a solid evacuation and storage plan is critical to avoid contamination of nearby water sources. But here's the upside. It's a hidden gold mine. This waste can be turned into fertilizer, compost, or even energy, transforming a problem into an asset. This particular region has suffered from years of soil erosion, deforestation, and environmental decline due to intensive farming. To make matters worse, many residents have migrated to urban areas, leaving the land abandoned. But one visionary local decided to turn things around. His dream? Carve a hill into a self-sustaining eco-farm with homes and a vegetable garden to bring life back to the area. Backed by government aid to combat depopulation, his mission wasn't just to build, it was to breathe new hope into his hometown and community. He assembled a hardworking crew and launched the project in April 2021. Here's where it gets interesting. They're constructing brick structures over the caves, transforming them into sturdy spaces for both farming and living. To ensure the structure's durability, they extended the cave entrances and filled the hollow areas with soil before laying bricks. These caves will serve as breeding chambers, while the surrounding spaces are being built to house animals. But innovation doesn't stop there. Sustainable farming practices are the priority here. For waste management, they're laying down concrete-lined trenches, making it easy to clean and maintain animal chambers. To level the floors, they apply a layer of soil and cover it with poured concrete. Timing is everything. They work quickly to level the slabs before the concrete sets, ensuring a smooth and durable finish. Above the caves, metal beams are installed for the roof. Why metal? It's fire-resistant, aesthetically pleasing, and sheds snow effortlessly. The second floor is reserved for living spaces for the farmers. 3 caves are being turned into cozy apartments, while the other 2 will be used for storage. The construction process mirrors the farming spaces. Brick walls are added, and entrances are extended to form straight, clean walls. Wooden frames are crafted to enhance the design, adding decorative elements to make the spaces more inviting. The windows are fitted with glass panels, and ventilation doors are added to ensure proper airflow. Inside, thoughtful details like raised resting areas are placed over heating tubes for warmth in the colder months. At the far end of the cave, a bathroom is installed, finished with waterproof porcelain tiles in a variety of stylish patterns. During construction, electrical wiring is integrated into the walls to avoid unsightly exterior cables. Flexible yet sturdy materials are used to smooth the interior walls, making them easy to clean and maintain. The result? Modern, comfortable apartments that make smart use of every inch of space. Light colors and reflective finishes enhance the brightness, creating an illusion of a larger room. Right next to the windows, they build a raised platform that doubles as a cozy resting space, perfect for a bed or a sofa. At the far end of the cave, they start work on a bathroom, carefully tiling the area with porcelain tiles. These tiles are waterproof, cost-effective, and easy to maintain. And with the endless variety of colors, textures, and patterns available, they can create a stylish yet practical space. The resting area is placed directly over a heating tube. making it wonderfully warm and inviting during the cold winter months. Along the only straight wall, they install a cabinet to maximize storage space, ensuring every inch of the room is used efficiently. The walls are coated with a flexible, sturdy material, creating a smooth, polished finish that's easy to clean and maintain. As the project progresses, they begin adding the final details and appliances to make the apartment not just functional, but truly comfortable. In compact living spaces, efficient use of every corner is key. They use white tones to make the room appear larger and reflective materials to enhance brightness, creating an open and luminous atmosphere. Outside, the transformation continues with the creation of a vegetable garden and a cooking area. A concrete slab is laid to keep dirt and dust out of the living spaces. For the cooking area, they use bricks and mortar, an excellent choice due to its durability, heat retention, and resistance to wear from the elements. To make the space more inviting, they add benches and tables, creating a welcoming outdoor area for meals and gatherings. To prepare the garden, the soil is plowed to bring fresh nutrients to the surface. Since the land is prone to erosion, nutrient-rich soil is added to support plant growth. Seeds are spaced to allow room for the plants to thrive. By June 2022, they completed the first terrace with pavers and were halfway through constructing the second. Their goal? To finish the second and third terraces, creating a fully functional and sustainable eco-farm that combines modern innovation with traditional methods. This project is part of a larger effort to restore the Loess Plateau. Over the past few decades, initiatives like this have reduced soil erosion by over 70%, increased vegetation cover from 17% to over 34%, and improved the livelihoods of millions of people. The transformation on this project is a powerful reminder of what humanity can achieve when we work with nature instead of against it. This eco-farm project shows us that even the most degraded landscapes can be turned into thriving, sustainable communities with the right vision and effort. So what can the rest of the world learn from this? As climate change and environmental degradation continue to threaten our planet, projects like this offer a blueprint for resilience and hope. By combining traditional knowledge with modern technology, we can create a future where humans and nature thrive together. An inspiring story. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible transformation. Could this approach work in other parts of the world? Coming up, more construction stories.